With linear measurement by 2 points, you can insert dimensions both in floor plan views or in drawing models. To insert linear measurements, you need to select the 2D graphics object, linear measurement by 2 points object from the drawing menu. A first click fixes the starting point. Moving with a second click, we can then fix the end measurement point. As you can see, we've linked the measure value to the cursor, so simply click to fix its position. By selecting it, you can access further functionalities. In fact, with the Add Points command, you can insert a new measurement point, and selecting this option gives you other options. With the Objects option, you can insert measurement points on the selected object. With the Section option, you can add section object measurements using the section line. With the Profile option, you can insert measurement points using the profile method.